Well, one topic to think about is the importance of international law in a world in which globalization has increased pretty dramatically. Can you imagine trying to have ships cross the world and airplanes cross the sky with no international rules to deal with how they should do that? Can you imagine having a world in which trade is supposed to take place and there's a lot of benefit to that and there's no rules about access to markets? Can you imagine a world in which transnational crime is moving from one place to another and we don't have any way to figure out who's going to prosecute criminals who cross borders? So we have to have extradition agreements between states. And can you even imagine a world in which there are lots of threats that cross borders, from terrorism to irregular military actors to major bombing episodes of states across borders, and not have any rules or any way to try to settle those kinds of disputes. So international law is really critical to trying to manage a lot of the interdependencies in the world today. I guess I would say if there is one big issue and big question for international law, I think that it is really an issue of how legitimate it is worldwide. We know, for example, that the most powerful countries in the world have dominated the international legal system historically. We have the permanent five in the Security Council that can exercise a veto, for example. And this raises issues about how legitimate the international legal system is. I think that's an important question for the future.
Hi, my name is Hanspeter. I'm an Wang Professor of Computer Science at the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences at Harvard. And I work in data science, which means I do a lot of analysis of data. And I believe data is the key component in our society today and will be in the foreseeable future. Digital data is being generated globally by everybody, and analyzing and understanding this data and putting it into the global context is a crucial skill that I believe everybody should have. So I hope that we can work towards citizenship that is including data understanding, understanding the ethical implications of data, understanding privacy implications, and also understanding the technology that really makes data analysis feasible. So I hope you're successful in understanding data in a global context.